today. I hope you all doing fine. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Alexandra Herminda Permadi, and of course today I'm not alone. I'm with my teammates. They are Audry Jesica Nur, Daniel Abileon Alyodya, Wahyu Fahrizal Fayyadh, and Vanesha Adinda Salsabila. And we are from CI2. Today we're gonna tell you how to make mayonnaise. And the purpose of this video is for our final examination assignment on English subject and chemistry subject. What is mayonnaise? Mayonnaise is an emulsion of oil, egg, and a little bit of acid, either vinegar or lemon juice. There are many variants using additional seasoning. The color varies from near white to pale yellow, and its texture from light cream to thick gel.
Mayonnaise commonly used in sandwich, hamburger, compost salad, on French fries, and many more. It also forms the base for many other sauces, such as tartar sauce, remoulade, salsa golf, and royal. And next are the tools and material for making mayonnaise. First, we need 1 egg. And then we need 100 ml of oil. You can add more later. And we need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Next, we need 1 teaspoon of sugar. And next, we need 1 teaspoon of salt. And for the tools, we need mixer. And the last tools, we need bowl.
The first step is crack the egg and put it into the glass. Squeeze a half of lemon to extract the juice and add it into the glass. Add some salt or sugar for the seasoning. Then, pour 100 ml oil into the glass. The next step is start whisking the mayonnaise. Mixture with the hand blender. If the mayonnaise doesn't get thick, try to add more oil little by little while keep whisking. Once all the oil has been mixed in, the mayonnaise should be thick and fluffy.
Pour all of the mayonnaise to the bowl. The mayonnaise is ready to be served. You can also keep the mayonnaise in a jar and store it in the refrigerator for 2 months. Mayonnaise is an emulsion, which is a mixture of the liquid that normally cannot be combined. Combining oil and water is a classic example. Emulsifying is done by slowly adding one ingredient to another while simultaneously mixing rapidly. This disperses and suspends time.
The ingredients of mayonnaise do indeed include oil and an aqueous component, which can be either vinegar or lemon. To bind the two of them, egg yolk is used as an emulsifier, as it is rich in surfactants molecules with two ends that attach to the water and oil molecules like glue. The egg yolk also adds flavor and density to the sauce. If there is too much oil and we don't beat the sauce hard enough, the mayonnaise will separate. This happens because the quantity of surfactants is not sufficient to bind all the fat and water molecules, and so the mixture will liquefy. Another reason may be the egg yolks are from the fridge, which severely limits the action of the surfactants. And that's all for us. Thank you so much for your attention. We would like to apologize if there's a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more